that has now entered election mode. Home Minister Amit Shah has unleashed a fierce attack on Rahul Gandhi and the Congress for their alliance with the National Conference. Shah accused Congress of jeopardizing India's unity and security by aligning with Umar Abdullah's party for political gains. Shah raised 10-pointed questions challenging Congress on the issues such as NC's call for a separate flag for Jammu and Kashmir, the reinstatement of Article 370 and Article 35A of the Constitution, engagement with Pakistan instead of Kashmir's youth, and the resumption of LOC trade. He also questioned Congress's stance on ending reservations for marginalized communities, renaming significant landmarks, promoting corruption, and supporting NC's divisive politics, including granting autonomy to Kashmir. The National Conference leader Umar Abdullah was quick to respond, stating that the BJP is feeling bitter and jittery because of the National Conference and Congress alliance that's taken place.
आज राजनीतिक लोलुपता और राजनीतिक स्वार्थ के कारण जम्मू कश्मीर की जनता को गुमराह करना और उनको लाभ पहुंचाने था वो पहुंचाने के बजाय अपना लाभ का रास्ता ढूंढना, ऐसे हालातों को पूरी जम्मू कश्मीर की जनता जानती है। मुझे लगता है स्वार्थपूर्ण अलायंस है और जम्मू कश्मीर की जनता को कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला है और कश्मीर अपना विकास का रास्ता ढूंढ चुका है और भारतीय जनता पार्टी को पूर्ण बहुमत मिलने वाला है।
We all know that every Indian has resolved incessantly that we as one nation have one constitution, one flag. Does the Congress party believe not in one constitution, but do nishan, do pradhan, and do samvidhan? The unholy alliance gives rise to many a question. Not only the people of Jammu Kashmir, but the entire nation awaits the answers from the Congress party. The National Conference speaks of a different flag. Does the Congress party support the National Conference's promise of a separate flag for Jammu Kashmir? The National Conference has publicly announced that they will reinstate Article 370 and Article 35A. Does the Congress party support the National Conference's agenda of breaking India? The National Conference speaks about LOC trade, while Pakistan continues to nurture terrorism and an ecosystem that is aligned with terrorists. Does the Congress party support the Pakistani agenda that has been pronounced on many platforms of creating unrest in Jammu Kashmir?
जम्मू कश्मीर की आवाम जब अपने 5 साल के हुकूमत का फैसला करेगी तो नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस को यहाँ लोगों की खिदमत करने का एक मौका हासिल होगा। ज़्यादातर सीटों पे हम कंसेंसस जो है बना पाए हैं, कुछ सीटों पे हम अड़े हुए हैं, कुछ सीटों पे कांग्रेस के जो लोकल लीडर हैं वो अड़े हुए हैं। कोशिश करेंगे कि जहाँ तक हो सके जो बाकी सीटें हैं उनको हम जो है अलायंस के दायरे में लाके अपने उम्मीदवार जो हैं वहाँ पे ऐलान कर सकेंगे।